The FC-31, later evolving into the J-35, represents China's bold ambition to field a fifth-generation stealth fighter capable of competing, at least in aspiration, with Western jets. The story begins with the inaugural public debut of the aircraft under the name Shenyang FC-31 at the 2012 Zhuhai Air Show. A scale model was revealed then, and by November 2014 the prototype completed its first public flight. Early examples used Russian RD-93 engines and lacked optimized flight performance. Yet, by late 2016, a significantly refined prototype emerged equipped with Chinese WS-13E engines, a redesigned single-piece canopy, revamped control surfaces, improved avionics, and enhanced stealth features. This aircraft was originally intended as an export platform and a potential naval fighter to replace heavier Chinese carrier jets. In 2015, its designers projected it could eventually succeed the J-15 aboard aircraft carriers. Over time, a dual identity emerged, the FC-31 for export, and the naval variant rebranded as the J-35, sometimes also referred to as J-35A for a land-based version. Technical specifications remain estimates due to secrecy, but reliable sources provide a snapshot. The FC-31 airframe measures roughly 17.3 meters in length with an 11.5 meter wingspan, capable of a maximum takeoff weight of approximately 28,000 kilograms. Performance includes speeds up to Mach 1.8 at high altitude, a service ceiling of about 16,000 meters, and an internal fuel combat range near 1,200 kilometers, extendable via aerial refueling. Weapon capacity is substantial, around 8,000 kilograms total, with 2,000 kilograms in internal bays and additional loadouts on 6 hardpoints. Avionics include an AESA radar, likely the KLJ-7A, along with distributed aperture systems DOS, electro-optical targeting EOTS, and infrared search and track IRST systems. The engine story is evolving too. Early prototypes flew with RD-93 engines, but Chinese production models aim to use domestic WS-13 engines. This is expected to progress toward the more powerful WS-19, offering significantly higher thrust and aligning with China's goal for greater self-reliance in fighter powerplants. Carrier operations have finally been demonstrated. In September 2024, the J-35 successfully conducted takeoff and landing trials aboard the carrier Liaoning, China's first public confirmation of carrier deployment for this jet. This milestone highlights the jet's role in advancing China's naval aviation capabilities, particularly as newer carriers like the Fujian, equipped with catapult systems, enable the deployment of more advanced aircraft. Yet, critical analysts refer to the J-35 as a black box, owing to sparse public data on its stealth coatings, radar, sensors, and overall performance. Though the shape and configuration resemble the F-35 family, concrete comparisons remain speculative. Internationally, the FC-31 J-35 is often positioned as a more affordable alternative to the F-35 for nations excluded from or unable to join the Western program. However, it currently lags behind in matured capabilities, avionics, stealth integration, sensor fusion, software maturity, and engine reliability. Publications like Bolt Flight in April 2025 frame the F-35 as a globally integrated multi-role aircraft, while the J-35 is tailored for regional and naval defense roles. Some sources even cite a claimed radar cross-section of 0.01 square meters for the J-35, comparable to the F-22's, but such numbers remain unverified. Espionage allegations shadow the J-31's development. Analysts suggest that cyber theft of U.S. F-35 and F-22 data may have accelerated Chinese stealth design capabilities, while reverse engineering of U.S. aircraft wreckage may also have contributed. Still, domestic Chinese research and engineering clearly play a decisive role in any progress achieved. Current forecasts indicate the FC-31 J-35 could enter initial operational capability aboard the plan by around 2026, potentially at an estimated unit cost of $70 million. The jet could significantly enhance China's carrier strike forces and offer a compelling product for export to countries seeking advanced yet cost-effective stealth options. In conclusion, the FC-31 J-35 reflects China's steady stride toward modern, stealth multirole fighters. It amalgamates learnings from U.S. designs, but with unique Chinese modifications and budding domestic technologies. Though still shrouded in uncertainty, particularly regarding performance and stealth efficacy, its carrier trials and evolving engine development chart a path toward expanding Chinese naval aviation and a potential export footprint in the global fighter market.